name is Khalid Sharif Shah. My name is Khalid Sharif Shah, and I have one question. I am from North York, Jamaat.
Huh?
My question is Hazur. Okay. My question is Hazur. According to the prophecy of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani that there would be Ahmadiyyat in the world, when is it going to be?
Malik Lal Khan understands your language better than anybody else.
Masih Islam has prophesied that Islam would be the religion of the world. When would it be? When would
Right.
it happen?
If you had read a few sentences on, the answer would have been found there. He has explained that well within 300 years from the time of this prophecy, Ahmadiyyat with the grace of Allah would represent Islam. And all other versions of Islam would be subjugated and would become small as compared to the Ahmadiyya representation of Islam. And that would spread all over the world, and the non-believers would exist, but only as small minorities, as remnants of the past. Like animals before human beings are still retained by nature, but with a relevant insignificance. So Messiah Sallallahu has already said there, where you read this from, that this would happen well within 300 years, inshallah. We've entered the 2nd century, and don't you see the change in the wind and the air, and how rapidly Ahmadiyyat is now spreading with the grace of Allah? So we have witnessed the beginning of the prophecy in the 2nd century, and we can well believe that inshallah within our lives of all who are sharing this hall with me, we'll see Ahmadiyyat progressing so rapidly that a few years ago you could not dream of such a thing. Inshallah, please. And that seems to be the last question, right? For tonight. Inshallah, we'll sit again tomorrow. Tomorrow again we'll sit here, so those who are left with no opportunity to ask a question, wait till tomorrow. Now somebody should say azan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.